Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Arvi Pathshala. In this video we will discuss how will you give your introduction in front of anyone. Nowadays, as far as I know, I am thinking that in offline classes I met with one of our student, right? In the Sunday classes there are lots of students who join only for English conversation. So on that case, I just ask the students like, tell me about yourself. There are 30 to 40 students, but only 10% students are comfortably speak about him or herself, right? Apart from that, student want to speak, but the problem was coming in their brain. They are not able to speak a little bit language, little bit English language, right? Even they are not comfortable with the vocabulary and all. So what I observed, that I think that I have to create a video, and on that video I just want to explain like how will you improve your about yourself. At least you have the knowledge, how will you give your introduction. So in first of all, I just want to say, first of all, you have to tell your name. For example, my name is Ram. After that, your father name. My father name is. Your mother name. My mother name is. And in which class do you study? I study in class. What standard you are studying? You just like that. What is your favorite fruit? What is your favorite game? What is your favorite color? Apart from this, you can say my hobbies is playing cricket, hockey, football, volleyball, and I love to play cricket, and I love to read novels. I love to read book. I love to read any of stories, you can say. This is your hobbies. Apart from this, you can say I want to become. What do you want to become in future? Like IAS, doctor, or businessman, or any other you can say. And at the last, you have to say what is your aim for study the uh, whole conversation. Why do you want to join us, right? So you have to explain on that. Okay, you can say like that, right? If you are going for any interview with your for your job, suppose you are going for interview as a strategy associate or accounts associate or operation associate, any position, a manager associate or AM. And on that case, once interviewer asks like, tell me about yourself and about your experiences, so you have to just explain like, my name is this, my father name and my mother name is this, I am sole person of earning in my family, and I have 2 years of experience in finance and accounting. I can manage the GST, I can manage the TDS, I can manage the income tax filing. Apart from this, I have good knowledge in Excel, and I can enhance our knowledge. Recently, I am using AI, which helps to automate the task. Like that, you can speak with that. And at the end, once interviews ask, why do I hire you? So in this case, you have to simply say that I have much experience and I know how to use AI tools, which helps to your company to improve automation of the task, right? And it will save the employees remuneration and one of juniors salaries as well. So this is the basic things that you can explain with in front of interview. And at the last, you have to close with the greetings. That's all from my side. For giving me this opportunity, right? And once you are going for any other places, for suddenly your friends or your seniors, or if you are going for any other relations, so there might be the people can ask about yourself. So you have to explain like simple. You have to firstly explain about yourself, your family, then your qualification and all. So I think we have covered all those things in this video. So that's all from my side. Thank you so much for the connections. One more thing, if you love this video, so please don't forget to share and like.